Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best how to make the Ethernet cable. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best how to make the Ethernet cable. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When looking to purchase RJ45 connectors for Cat5e cabling, there are several key factors to consider to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Most commonly, RJ45 connectors are available in two types, standard and shielded. Standard connectors are suitable for general networking, while shielded connectors provide extra protection against electromagnetic interference, making them ideal for environments with high electrical noise. Look for connectors made from high-quality materials, such as gold-plated contacts, which enhance conductivity and reduce signal loss. Durable plastic housings also contribute to longevity and reliability. Ensure the connectors are specifically designed for Cat5e cables, as these will support higher data transmission speeds, up to 1 Gbps, and bandwidth, up to 100 MHz. Check if they are compatible with your existing wiring and network setup. Consider connectors that are easy to install, with features like a clear wiring guide. Some connectors come with built-in strain relief, which helps prevent cable damage during installation. If you're undertaking a larger project, purchasing connectors in bulk can offer cost savings. Look for reputable suppliers who provide quality assurance and customer support. By keeping these factors in mind, you can select the right RJ45 connectors for your Cat5e cables, ensuring reliable and efficient network performance. Thanks for watching the video.